in Sri Lanka. He will have to play a bigger role with the bat.
Now this guy's pretty special. Was caught behind. It's just that you've got to find
The strike to be able to get off the... Not in control, maybe in trouble again. Yes, it is. Another one goes.
Yeah, this was just his fourth ball of the innings. Hasan Nawaz playing with a slanted angle of the blade and hoping for the best, and a very good catch in the deep. Had to adjust and making no mistake, found the outside edge and it was taken. End of the power play, and a very good one.
And played with soft hands. He heard you, Amir bhai.
Pointing at times. Was able to hit the hole on that occasion. Oh, misunderstanding. He has sold Fakhar Zaman.
Between Fakhar and Khushdil. Not the best of throw, but Liton does really well. Flicked it towards the stump. That length again. Never.
To get Pakistan to a safe score.
Abbas Afridi.
Decibels very high. At times, it's deafening.
Not easy now. Didn't get a better bat on that. Just did a better bat. Ooh, tell you what. Wasn't taken by the keeper and the skipper. Ah, Jaffa, what about that? And it continues to be great. And wait for that slow ball now. And oh, now hands off. Mistimed it completely again. Being foxed by the change in pace. Excellently done.
Clearing.
Oh, now that
Seen off by him.
he followed him, he bowled it wide. What a magnificent over. Just a single run. And what a magnificent figure for Mustafizur Rahman in his 4 overs, 2 for 6.